Good morning, people. Well, good afternoon, good night, whenever you're watching this video. It's your boy, Big Baby Cave, and we're back again with another, video about Mustang. And this video is a little different. I just recently passed 10,000 miles on my Mustang, and I officially had it a little over a year. So am I still happy with the Ecoboost? Yes, I am. I'm not gonna lie, a couple months back, I wanted to trade it in and get a GT. But when I did the muffler delete and the tune, it made the car sound a little bit better, even though it don't sound like a GT, but it does give it a little sound. And the tune really woke the car up, so that's all the performance I need out of it. So, in this year of owning this vehicle and 10,000 miles, it hasn't given me any type of problems. It's been a wonderful vehicle, wonderful. As you can see from other videos, and if you haven't seen my other videos, I do maintain the car and keep it babied. As you can see, I'm always at the car wash. And that's because I love pampering the car and keeping it looking nice. When you work hard for something and you really work hard and nobody's giving you anything and you have to earn everything you get, you try to maintain it. So that's what I do. I work hard for the car, so I want to keep it looking as nice as possible while I'm making payments on it, you know what I'm saying? Because you're not going to pay for something that doesn't look good. So as long as it looks good, I'm going to keep paying for it, and I'm going to want to pay for it. But that's a different story. But back to, the original topic, like I said, in 10,000 miles, the car hasn't given me any problems, And as you can see, it looks remarkable still. When I go back to the dealership for oil changes and stuff, they always comment. They say it looks better now than it did when you bought it. You know what I'm saying? Because I got the paint looking fresh and everything. But yeah. But like I say, I done gave y'all walking around on the car before. So I'm not really gonna do that in this video. I'm just gonna kind of, like I said, talk about any issues with the car, which I haven't had any. The only problem I had with the car in 10,000 miles in 1 year is right here. Like I say, that's no part of Ford. I don't know if you can even see that. Just a little chip in the paint. But other than that, the car hasn't given me no problems. I'll give y'all a view of the interior. As y'all can see, the interior still basically look brand new. There's no tears in the seats, and I put seat covers over the seats so to protect them, but there's no tears in the seats, carpets, everything still looks brand new. So yeah, after 10,000 miles and a little over a year, I still love it, So y'all just stay tuned. Hope we can get a lot more miles out of it. I got a lot more cosmetic miles coming. I appreciate the love from everybody. So everybody be up. Have a blessed day. I'll get it with y'all later. Peace out.